Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to add extension repositories to Cloudstream. First, open the Cloudstream app on your device. Now tap on Settings from the bottom menu. Here, scroll down and select Extensions. Next, tap Add Repository. Now you'll see a field where you can enter a repository URL. If you want to install the Mega repository, type Mega Repo in the repository URL field. After that, tap Download. Cloudstream will automatically download and add the repository to your app. Once the repository has been added, go back to the Extensions section. Here you'll find all available repositories and the plugins they contain. Now select the repository you want to use, then browse through the available plugins and tap Install next to any plugin you want to add. Wait a few seconds for the installation to complete. After that, the new extension will be available inside Cloudstream and you can start using it to browse content. Cloudstream also updates plugins automatically by default. If you want to change this setting, go to Settings, then Updates and Backup and find Automatic Plugin Updates under the Extensions section. If a repository does not install, first make sure your internet connection is working properly. Then double-check that the repository URL or shortcode is entered correctly. If the repository still doesn't load, try using a VPN and then add the repository again. You can also try again later in case the repository server is temporarily unavailable. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.